How to back up all of your Chrome data on Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily back up all of your Chrome data on your Google Chrome. So first thing, simply head over to your Google Chrome browser, and once you open it, just make sure you're logged into your account and simply tap on this account and make sure you have turned on this synchronization. So what it basically does is it will automatically synchronize everything like bookmarks, your password, all to your personal Gmail address. So once you do that, just tap on this sync is on option, and from over here what you can do is simply tap on manage your sync and just make sure you click on sync everything, so which will make sure you synchronize all of the data like apps, bookmarks, extension history, and etc. So the another way you can keep a backup of your file or Google account is just click on Windows plus R combination on your keyboard, and then you just have to type in searching for app data just like this, and just click on OK from over here, and just head over to local. From once you're inside your local, just click on find the Google, and once you're inside your Google, just click on Chrome, and then here you'll see user data. So based on your profile, how many profile you have, since I have only one or two profile, I will be seeing only this profile. So if you have more than two profiles, you'll be seeing a lot of profile. In this case I have only two profile right now, as you can see. So what you need to do is just copy this, Control C, by clicking on this folder, just copy it and make sure you back up somewhere around your external device, or you can also paste it over here for some time. And once you do that, I want you to once again go to the same place just like this. So once you come to the same place, just make sure you replace this user data with the backup which we have just copied over our profile. As you can see, I've copied it over here. So simply copy this and paste it over here, so that you will be seeing a new backup and it will overwrite your old existing backup, and you will have all of your backup imported to your Google Chrome browser. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.